In this video, we are going to show you how to use smart shipping rules within SendCloud to automate your shipping process. Please be aware that this is a subscription-only feature. With our small shop plan, you can create up to 5 rules. All other plans have unlimited rules. To start with shipping rules, first navigate to the shipping rules page in your panel settings. Here you will see a list of your already existing rules. For each one, you can toggle its activation, edit it, or delete it. What is important to know about shipping rules is that they are applied in order from top to bottom. Please take this into mind when chaining multiple shipping rules together. Let's create a new shipping rule. First, give your rule a name. Then, add the conditions that need to be met. You can select between these options. If you have multiple conditions, you can also specify whether you want all or any of the conditions to be met in order for the shipping rule to be applied. And lastly, you select what the shipping rule should do if your conditions are met. Now, after we have created labels, we can see in the parcel detail view that our EU insured shipping rule has been applied. Watch out for rules that are mutually exclusive. In this example, you see 2 rules that automate the shipping method. But because the rules are applied from top to bottom, the bottom rule will overwrite the top one. Another useful example is automating the shipping method based on the selected delivery method in the checkout. Here, the customer can select express delivery during checkout. And in SendCloud, it will automatically select an express method using this configuration. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.